So viewers and subs, in this update, we have Versatile, a clapback at Foota Hype. Foota Hype recently talked about things about Versi, and now Versi forward back and a talk back about things about Foota Hype. And we also have Foota Hype a talk about the ungrateful artists them in a dancehall. Yeah man, the artists them will him help and them they even reach out for tell him thanks. Yeah man, the entertainer talk about Nigy boy because he must say Nigy boy is one of the ungrateful artists them. So viewers and subscribers, this update is an update that you do not want to miss. Big up on yourself and make we jump right into it.
Hey, Foota Hype. Yeah, sampling, hombre. Mr. Somebody just send me a clip in with you. With you there on your live, I say. You lose all for me because I sing a freaky line in our song. But yet still, you take up the freaky song and give it a free review. The song is not all about freakiness. A line in it and say something freaky, yes. However, you give me a free review. Thank you for the free review. Because you know what? You never give none of my other song them a free review yet. You see me I say? Every song we review for me, I have to call you and pay you. You see me? As much as you follow me and you see how they are work. You know what I mean? From the other day, I promote a song called Target. The first single from my album, PVO, Portland's very own, we are forward soon. I post it almost every day. You follow me on my Instagram. Yeah, can I see you in my story. I watch all of my story them on my post. So I can see your silly work where I put in. You know what I mean? I never take up that song there and say I get a free review. But I sing a song now on the storybook rhythm with a one line in it that says some freakiness. And you get a free review. See me? Free of course. Give thanks, my fam. Big up yourself for the free review. You see me I say? But now we know why your motive. I can start sing more of them songs there. So I can get some more free reviews from bloggers like yourself. You see me? Yeah, man.
So Foota Hype burn out Versi because of a line that was in Versi's song. I think Versi went on the storybook rhythm, but it's not authorized, maybe not as yet. But yeah, Versi went on the storybook rhythm and a line in Versi's song had freakiness. And Foota Hype burn out Versi because of that. And so Versi come out and speak his mind. So viewers and subscribers, when you think about that, just leave in a take down below.
Yes, Foota Hype. If you remember, the dancer is a freaky girl, you know. Saying, man look at him, say, the email, if you ever sing a song talk about no man of sucking cocky, then done with me. I remember, say, he's a dancer selector, you know. And you are born suck cocky, and you are born suck pussy, and you are born bottom, and you are born lesbian. So, I make them know. So that's why I see them a fight or so. Yes, me I say? Yeah. So that's the thing. Remember saying that if you suck cocky, you're not getting no forward, you know, like that in the day. And the man might pray up that I go on. The dancer really pray up for them things. You're born bottom and you're born lesbian, you're born freakiness. So freaky people might pray up, my lord. That's why they don't want to book your car. You know what I mean? You're not telling girl to get freaky from them. You know what I mean? That's how they want.
Now we have Foota I speak about the ungrateful artists them in a dancehall. And like I said before, him call Nigy boy name. Viewers and subscribers, check this out.
Alright. I posted Nigy boy from a page, tag Russian, and tell Russian to authorize it. If anybody remember the truth, Russian never look or do not before that. As something when me see, sometimes I have to ask God, why him do this to me all the time? You know? Cause a couple situations, well, I mean, highlight and then people get put on and they make money and them get at and them not remember if you even say, big up Foota Hype. Nigy boy has never said big up Foota hype to post me and tag Russian and tell him to authorize my song. Me now say, I me alone do it, but me know me do it on a platform, yeah, and it go viral. So me don't know who do it behind closed door, me don't know. And after me post, Russian react. Alright. Nigy boy end up boss, make bag of money, become a stalwart name in a dancehall, no problem. Show who surround him thing, I do the man, I'm a burn him out. Nigy boy never show me enough of my respect yet. See the Nigy boy, you have your career, but you don't have no song. You're going to need a song. Me ignore all the rest of song them. Play where make it, and I have to try and make it, me love it. Because you see my input, me I start take it away from people. Once you rate me, you start love your thing, your song them have to bust up it will not help me now give nobody. See? So watch this now. Russian have a new rhythm. Name Storybook. Me now post nobody song or review nobody song for the rhythm unless on a blood clot pay me. Cause when me post on a thing, the high table seed, the top tier seed, you have to start pay for that kind of unblood clot grateful. Ungrateful. Me I stop take me thing lightly and me I help people. Help on no mother. You have to pay me. Cause when you don't get the bus and get the hype, one person me sure you know big up and tell thanks a Foota hype. When you join the bandwagon we say Foota pussy and in bad mind and go on like Foota the worst. And don't remember the simple major, cause it's simple to Uno, you know, but it major to me. The people that watch my platform, when me post Uno, pussy wall. Some people wouldn't see Uno on a regular day soon. Cause this is a powerful blood clot sitting here. When me have your son name Instagram. And Nigy boy one of the people that would do that. You see how Stampede say him stop do that. Them not showing a respect. Russian look on Nigy boy before I post him. He might go like say, Russian did call him before nothing and say, come vice man I read him. And no, I we the people ball and say, add him, authorize him. And the people them send it to me. I mean even get $1. I'm going to say boom and post him. Nigy boy, I never hear him say thanks yet. To put a hype where they post it and Russian authorize it. Never. And look how long that. And I sit down and I say nothing. Till now Russian drop on next with him again. That's why you see me talk. Because sometimes I talk, when you say me chat too much. True me a chatting at the spur of the moment when the hype are gone. Nigy boy, you're not a hype you know. You need back selector to give you a song. And the look sprat where you par with can't give you a song. And we selector and media personnel have to give you a song. But you know, remember where I come from. You understand? I'm a hold it for 2 years. Till Russian drop on next with him before me talk about it. You understand me? So me a different thing me I deal with now. Anyhow, you want Rush can me get about 5 songs already, you know. Well, one Russian authorize this, tell him authorize this, you have to pay me. So I put it on my platform, I swear to God, as God live it. God have to send me, you have to pay me. You have to pay me. Too much ungrateful behavior me get, me. And the hardest thing for me do something for somebody and them say thanks. Them want to enjoy the fruits. Them no remember who plant the tree and water the tree, I fruits them grab and run gone. You understand? Now, Russian rhythm, I don't hear it yet. I don't listen it. Meaning I don't get the juggling and listening. See? Me I go talk to the artists them now. And me I go talk to Russia. People, me take my mission in the music already. Now. Foota, your mission is you're going to be the one who talk the truth, whether them like it or not. And some people are going to eat your feet. Me accept that burden then now. So, let me continue. Russian rhythm alright. It not kick me like when Go-Go Club rhythm did drop and it kick me. Don't get me wrong, you know. Bad rhythm, you know. But it's not as bad as Go-Go Club. To me, that's my opinion.